Creatures in the Attic, written by Brian Baldwin, was inspired by the composer's 4-year-old son, Jacob, and his son's imagination. Creatures in the Attic tells the story of an attic that comes alive with the mysterious sounds as creatures come out and celebrate nightfall. As dawn approaches, the creatures retreat into the shadows and quietly wait for the following night's celebration to begin. Here's a poem to set the mood for the piece. I have a little secret that I'll no longer keep, explaining lots of little sounds when everyone's asleep. Is that wind I hear outside? Or knocking on the door? They just may be my fuzzy friends, making noise between each snore. They start off very quietly. When all the lights go out, they check to make sure no one's watching, then start to dance about. Pretty soon they're going crazy, a midnight celebration. I'm glad they're having so much fun, but where's my invitation? As soon as dawn approaches, they start to settle down, putting all the toys away. They crease to make a sound, and then we wake up wondering, was it creaking or TV static? Others may wonder, but now you know, it's just the creatures in the attic. Please enjoy 5RB's band performance of Creatures in the Attic.